How to access Neiman Marcus Credit Card login page. Hello everybody, in today's tutorial we're going to see a step-by-step process on how you can access the Neiman Marcus Credit Card login page. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is open up any web browser on your PC or your phone, go to the search bar and simply search for Neiman Marcus Credit Card login. Click enter, and then from here you will see this link, Neiman Marcus Capital One Credit Card Login. So your credit card is issued by Capital One, so you're going to have to click on this link to access your login page. And here all you need to do is click on the sign in page if you already have a Capital One account. Tap on the sign in button, and all you have to do here is provide your username for your Capital One, then your password, and if you want to view your password, click on this I button to see your password, and then click on this button to remember me if you don't want to enter your login details every time you try to log in. This way the browser will remember your login info, and if somehow you forgot your username or password, you can click on this link to recover it by entering your social security number and your date of birth as well as your last name. Once you verify your account, all you have to do is just tap on the login button and you should be able to access your Neiman Marcus login. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.